one of our favourite spots on the Mornington Peninsula, which is one of our favourite areas close to Melbourne, is COOLART Homestead and Wetlands at Summers. Some really great wetlands and some nice bird heights that are good for observing water birds from in particular. And we're just going to have a quick visit to some of the bird hides here and see what we can spot. Let's check it out. Still some shovels there, but they're not really doing much. Crake hide, but not much chance of seeing a crake. The reeds have really overgrown the area, the viewing area. Last year when we were here, there was a path that had been mowed that went all the way down. You could see the water's edge, but now we're not going to see any birds. But you do hear the pitter patter of little feet on this corrugated roof. Antechinus. So Antechinus are small carnivorous marsupials about the size of a mouse, and the males in particular lead very short but eventful lives, and during the breeding season the males go on a spree of frenetic mating activity, after which they die, so they literally shag themselves to death, the poor things, which is a bit sad, but clearly that's the way they want to go out with a bang, so that's just the life cycle of the Antechinus. It's what they do. And they are just full of energy. They're frantic, running around at breakneck pace, chasing each other. So in this hide where they're running around along the rafters, there's not a lot of light in here, and they're moving super fast, and it's a real challenge trying to keep up with them and get some photos, but it's great fun.
Well, that was awesome.
Once again, COOLART delivers, top spot.
Yep.
Check it out if you're in Melbourne.
Yep. Thanks for joining us. See ya.